Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your device so motion becomes predictable. Mount on a tripod or gimbal and use a strap if handheld. Once mounted, enable optical or electronic stabilization and set frame rate and shutter to reduce blur. These settings matter because stabilization algorithms need consistent input. Record a short test clip at the final framing and exposure to check movement patterns. If you detect drift, tweak mounting and retake. This initial precision saves time during software correction later. You now take the stabilize test into your editor and apply the built-in stabilization effect. Increase smoothness gradually and monitor cropping. Too much smoothing cuts frames. For rolling or complex movement, use motion tracking or anchor points to lock a subject while the algorithm stabilizes the background. This prevents wobble-induced distortion. Once done, render short sections at high quality to evaluate artifacts. Make sure to compare before and after to confirm you preserved framing and avoided jelly warping. You finish by exporting a high-quality render and inspecting for warping, blur, or newly exposed black edges at the frame borders. If edges appear, either slightly crop or add intelligent background fill or blur to hide gaps. This maintains composition without re-editing. If stabilization introduces artifacts, reshoot using a higher frame rate or a mechanical gimbal because software can only correct so much. One key troubleshooting tip: if correction fails, stabilize in short segments rather than a single long clip, so the algorithm has simpler motion to solve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.